What is up, Diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And today we will be bringing you all the new releases and the new announcements by Mini GT and Inno64. So talking about these two brands, they are mainly in line to release a large number of products in the future in 2021, and a lot of limited editions are to be released as well. And especially about these two brands are because they'll be mostly paying their attention on JDM brands. And starting off with the first in line, what we have is an announcement that was made by Mini GT a few days ago about the release of the Toyota Supra in the advanced livery. So due to some intellectual property issues with the logos related to the car and the livery, they have made some changes and they released their new images. So I'll be comparing the old liveries and the new liveries of this release. So talking about the new release, so the original release previous what they released, they had the HKS Toyota GR Supra Advanced 2020. So in the new description, it's changed into HKS Advanced GR Supra only, taking off the Toyota and the 2020 part as well. Next in line, we have another howler which is to be released by Mini GT, and this is the Mercedes Golf livery howler. Still, Mini GT hasn't released a specific date for these to be released, so we are still waiting for the release date as well as the price. So actually Mini GT has released only one image of this specific model, so we can't give you a in-detail review about this, but it is to be released in the future within this year, so hopefully we will be able to do an in-detail review on this as well. Talking about the Mini GT new releases, we have another two amazing models which are to be released, and these are none other than the Pagani Zondas. So Pagani Zondas are to be released, and they have put up a sneak peek of what models are to be released this year. And talking about these, we have the Pagani Zonda F. So the Pagani Zonda F is actually a special edition when it comes to the real model, and this is also known as the Zonda Fanigo. So Zonda Fanigo is actually named after the F1 driver, who is Juan Manuel Fanigo, and this is set to be released by mid of 2021. And moving on to the second model from Pagani is the Pagani Zonda HP. Talking about the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, so Mini GT is actually planning on releasing the second model for Pagani, and this is actually another special edition to be released. And this is actually, they are planning on releasing this for the Mr. Pagani's 60th birthday, and as well as to celebrate the 11th anniversary of producing Paganis throughout these years. So I'm sure a lot of people are waiting for this to be released and to come out soon, because they haven't still mentioned the livery editions to be released. So I'm sure Mini GT will put that out and let the customers know what kind of a livery, what kind of color variations to become in these models. Also, we have another Mini GT Defender coming out this year, and this is gonna be another special edition from Indonesia. So this is the Indonesian exclusive Mini GT, and this is coming in 1/64 scale, and this is the Land Rover Defender 110. So this is actually the Indonesian National Traffic Police livery, and this comes in the blue, red and the white livery. So this is to be released by the first half of this year, and pre-orders are already been out, so you guys can order from your local distributors. Moving on to the second half of our segment today, we are talking about the Inno64 releases. So Inno actually did a vote a few days ago, actually last year and they put out a few colors of the Acura NSX to be released, and they're actually choosing the favorite colors which been voted for, and they're choosing those specific few models to be released in the coming year. So the releases were as follows. They had the pearl orange, the chrome blue, the matte green, matte black, chrome black and the titanium gray. So you guys know that they're already releasing the chrome blue and the chrome black. So that is set to be released within the next coming few days, and pre-orders are already taken since last year, and that is to be released soon. So hope you guys grab it, because I've already placed my pre-orders as well. Moving on to the next in line, we have two specific models to be released, and these are going to be hyped up models because a lot of people are being eyeing on these, and Inno64 itself released two video trailers of these specific models. So let's look into that and let's see what these models are. Moving on to our first Inno64 special edition for this year, they are releasing their first collaboration Tofu Garage R32 in the Pandem body kit. So this is the Pandem Rocket Bunny body kit which is to be released, and the collaboration is going to be a limited edition, 2,488 pieces worldwide. So pre-orders for these specific models are already being placed, and hope you guys grab from your local distributors as well. Next in line, the special edition we have is another JDM to be released this year, and this is the Decepciones 9 Racing Livery Edition. So this is actually the Datsun pickup, and you guys enjoyed the video, and the trailer is as follows. They have actually been able to release an amazing clip of this trailer, and they show the actual car as well as the model to be released. Finally, in list what we have is the two models that are to be released from the Rocket Bunny Pandem editions, and this is the Silvia S13. So Nissan Silvia S13 is releasing their Pandem Rocket Bunny body kits for this year, and they are coming up in blue and grey metallic as well as the red metallic, so two different variations, and these are set to be released and the pre-orders are already out. So hope you guys contact with your local distributors and get them as well. So as always, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and always make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. And hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys on the next video very soon.